everyone. Good afternoon. Okay, so for this afternoon, I'm going to share with you how did I achieve my intro like this. All right, so how did I achieve that intro? I simply go to I simply open a new tab and search for Canva. Of course, it's Canva. I love Canva. Okay, so from here, you can have this one, Canva Online, here. The first one, you can choose that. And you can, if you don't have an account yet, you can either sign up. Okay, you can sign up. If you have an account already, you can log in. For my case, I'm just going to log in. Okay, and I have my account here already. I automatically logged in my account. And here, this is the home page of Canva, and it is where the vast things that you can choose. Of course, there's Instagram account, Instagram posters, presentations, social media, a lot, logos, Facebook post, yeah, videos. Okay, for my case, I have lots of things here. Okay, so I simply go to templates. There are lots of templates that you can choose from. For that one, for my YouTube intro, I simply go to YouTube intros and yeah, you will be ano ba? You can be redirected here. Thanks. Okay. Okay, here. I choose blank one. I did not choose from the different templates. I choose blank one. Okay, so this is the one, the page that your work will be displayed, and you can choose from here. Here on the left side, there are templates, there are uploads, photos, elements, text, audios, videos, backgrounds, folders. So what's good thing about Canva is that you can choose a lot of different um, things here, like the background. You can have lots of background from here. Okay, so yeah, okay, nice. But for my intro, I use black one, and for that and from that after that, choosing the black background, I simply go to elements. I love elements because I can search a lot of things here in elements. I simply search animated. There are animations here, animated, like I like animated here. Like I choose this one. I simply resize this. You can resize from the corner here. Okay, and of course, I like this one, so I choose this. I chose this. Okay. So good like that. And for the text, for the text, like and subscribe, I choose add here text. Okay, add heading and oh, all caps. All caps? Okay. Subscribe. Okay, yeah. Okay, you can also resize this speaker, drag from the corner. Yeah, like, okay, that one. Okay, and I can change its color, like red. I like black and red. Resize from like that because I'm going to have the bell in the end. Okay, you can choose different fonts here. There are lots of font style here and also font size. Yeah, can adjust. But of course, okay, for that one, that's enough. So, and then I also put a bell, animated bell. Animated bell. I like animated here. Okay, I choose this one. Yeah. And I put it here. Mhm. Okay, yeah. And then, mm, for my photo, I simply go to uploads here. Here in the upload, you can upload your own photo out from your device, from your computer. Just simply upload media. Click this one. But for me, I have my uploaded photo, so I chose this one. Yeah, That's my picture there. Okay. And also for this one, for my logo in learning from home, and because I love this logo. Oh, I love this logo. I'm using this since from the start of my channel. Okay, here. And then for my name, Teacher Rocel, I like this one. I love Bitmoji, promise. So here I have my name here already. A good thing, the very nice thing about Bitmoji is that I can customize my name and myself there. It's very nice. Teacher Rocel, I can have this one, another Bitmoji. It can be okay, and I can crop automatically like that. And yeah, that's it. Resize, finish, done. Okay, and also for the I put there. Oh, let's put it center. Okay, move a little bit. Center. Okay, and I put there with. I simply choose here from the text. I simply choose this one. Huh? Is it this one? Yeah, sparkle with with learning from home with, yeah, and you can have like that. Okay, with Teacher Rocel. Okay. I also put a flower. I think so. Let's change and move this one. Okay, upper. I put some flowers there. I go to elements and get animated flower. Animated flower. I love this one. It's this one, maybe. Yeah, that one. I guess this is right. And I can have that one. Is it bigger? Ah, it's okay. And I can duplicate, just Control D. And yeah. And I like to put something here at the corner. So put heart, animated heart. I choose this one. Yeah. Cute. Very cute. Okay. And also, I also put something here. Let's see. What else? Ah, happy face. Happy face. Happy face. Yep. Where is it? I like this one, happy. Let's just use this one na lang. Okay. Okay. Laugh, 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 laugh. All right. So just like that. And then for the sparkles, there's sparkles there. Animated sparkles. Sparkles. A lot of animated sparkles here. Okay. Let's just choose a different one. Put this at the corner. It's very nice. And this one, I think this is nice. Here at the center. Okay. So that's it. And I'm done. Okay. For the music. Okay, for the music, I just go to audio here. Okay. I can have this one. They're free, but for me, they are free here because I'm not using the Pro. I'm not using the Pro, so I cannot choose these ones. I have here in my upload, I have my audio uploaded here. So I can simply use this, that one, and also this one. Okay, so I can use right, so for that one, okay, so I think we're done. We're just trying to play this. For here, we're going to play. We can click this one, tap this. And let's wait for the music to load for a while. Okay. Okay, so that's it. Okay, if you like to have some more elements like adding some sparkles like this, you can. For this one, I think it's nice to put, but just a little lang here on the side only, not so big. Okay, I think this is good. And then after that, after we made that one, yeah, I think this is good. And yeah, let's we can prolong this one actually. We can use this like 15 seconds. Okay. All right, so there. Let's animate. In animate, we can animate. We can use this one block, breathe, fade, pan, rise. So I think I like rise. Tumble, photo zoom. Oh, I like photo zoom. Photo flow, photo rise. Just like rise. Everything will rise. Or pan. Okay, I think rise lang. Okay. Okay, let's try. Nice. Now we can download this. I think it's good. It's MP4 file, so yeah, click download. And let's just wait that it will be downloaded. 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 Okay, let's wait. Okay. While waiting, let's go to our channel. Oh, I've got 109 subscribers. Thank you so much for this 109 subscribers. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I love you. Okay, if you are new to my channel, you can always subscribe so that you will be notified. Okay, you can also click that notification bell so that you can be notified for some videos, lessons that I make. I have here lots of videos here. Okay, some pa. Okay, soon I will be having lots of videos. Soon, 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 very soon. Like for some tutorials or whatsoever. Okay, so we're done. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. Done, done, done. Thank you very much. Goodbye, everyone. That's all. I hope you like my tutorial on how I made my intro. Bye. Till next time. God bless.